Good morning, Berthold Bombers.
Today is Thursday, March 29th.
Welcome to the Bomber Blitz.
The current temperature is 25 degrees with a high of 29 and a low of 4 degrees. Now to Cashley with some jokes.
Hey Nat, why didn't the son go to college?
I don't know why.
Because he had like 1,000,000 degrees.
That's a knee slapper.
Did you hear Apple is developing a new car?
No, I didn't hear that.
The only issue is they're having an issue putting Windows on it. Okay, last one. What does an angry pepper do?
I don't know what.
He gets all up in your face.
I tested the shark. We found that the shark had no bones. We saw there was a liver and a stomach.
We dissected dogfish sharks, and in the females we found eggs.
I don't know about you, but I'm pretty glad that we're not eating sharks today for lunch. Lunch for today is tater tot hot dish, fresh buns, peas and carrots, and mixed fruit. Do we have any birthdays?
Today it is Wade Osmundson's birthday. Happy birthday. Over the long weekend, Jubilee Reynolds' birthday is on Sunday and Ingrid Holland's birthday is on Monday. Happy birthday, you two. Nat with your announcements.
FBLA officer applications can be picked up from Mrs. Eide. They are due back by March 30th. 7th and 8th graders are not state testing today, but the 10th graders are. Hey Piper, what's going on with sports?
There's no basketball open gym tonight, but when we come back from the break on Tuesday, there's a volleyball open gym and a basketball open gym. As well as the 5th and 6th grade boys have a game here against DLB at 3:45 and 4:45. Let's go check out what Mason has to say about this book.
I nominated the Magnus Chase book. I nominated the book because I really enjoyed reading it. This book was about a kid trying to save his demigod of a father with a sword that he was handed down.
Go vote for that book. Now for a few reminders. There's a driver's ed sign-up sheet in the office. You can still vote for March Book Madness. You can vote on Mrs. Hanson's webpage. This has been the Bomber Blitz. Thanks for watching.
Have an extravagant day.
Fly high, Bombers! Patrick!